Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on the new Olay Natural White Mochi Mochi creams. It's cute. So if this is something that you'd want to hear, please keep watching. So P&G, or their PR partner, sent this to me a couple of weeks back, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I think it took a while for me to really test it out. I mean, to sit down and test it out. But I was able to test it out. And I'm gonna give you like my first impression and review. Not really the full review because I've only tried this a couple of days and nights ago. Kasi ano siya, it's a day and night cream. This is the day cream and this is the night cream. And this is actually a product imported from P&G, Thailand. So I would assume that this is manufactured in Thailand. And as you know, Thailand is like one of the top skincare, I guess, countries aside from Korea. We're just talking about Asia, right? So in Asia, like the best ones are in Korea, in Japan. Thailand is the best in whitening. So yon. And this being sourced in Thailand, I guess gives it a promising edge. And I guess the price is also okay. I'm not really sure of the price, to be honest. You have to check Watson's for this, but I don't think it's that expensive. By the looks of it, it doesn't look super premium. It looks regular lang. Okay, so let's talk about the first one, the day cream. Okay, so this one is Olay Natural White Light Tone Up Glow Girl Brightening Glow Boost 2-in-1 Facial Cream. Okay, all right. So I've honestly tried this maybe twice or thrice na, and as you can see, inside the box, each box contains 6 sachets. The first time I got this and saw that there are only 6 sachets, I was thinking, bakit 6 lang? Bakit hindi niya ginawang 7? It would have been great kung 7 so that, you know, you get 1 week of use. But while I was using it, I realized that you don't really have to finish 1 pack in 1 use. In fact, I've already used this twice or thrice. Meron pa siya. I'd probably be able to use this in 1 or 2 more times. So it's honestly very tipid, and if the box contains 6 sachets, I can use this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18, 24. Almost 1 month use na rin ito. More or less. Depende kung malaki yung mukha mo. And leg. I even put it on my neck. So it's really very tipid. I do put lang very, very light like layer of it. I don't really like slathering a lot of products on my face, including day creams, because I don't want things to clog up my pores, especially when you're out and it's humid and it's hot. You know, it depends on where you want to go. And, you know, oil, your facial oil, and dirt, and other makeup can layer together, and that's not really a pretty thing. So I like putting on very, very light application of things as much as possible. I don't really like putting like super heavy foundation, to be honest. As you may notice, parang always, this is like my face na. I don't really like putting on full-on makeup. Not my thing. Yeah. So there. Let's just go back to the product. Yes. Okay. So let me just read the back box of this. Okay, so benefits: instantly brightens dull skin tone and boosts skin glow, helps fade the look of dark spots, helps give skin a natural looking fairness, primes skin before putting makeup by hydrating and nourishing skin. Alright, so refers to dual benefit of brightening and glow boost. Ingredients: with grapefruit, apple, and menthol extract. Directions: apply liberally to clean face and neck twice daily. So that's what I like about this, to be honest. Nilagay niya talaga na you have to apply it on your neck para pantay. Pag pumuti yung mukha mo, pumuti rin dapat yung leg mo. I have applied this today. I'm actually wearing it right now. I've worn this also yesterday. I do apply this only once a day because I applied the other one at night. Pero sa instructions, sabi niya twice a day. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Okay, application to me, I feel like this is okay. So let me just show you. Just put a little product. It gets easily absorbed by the skin and it's not sticky at all. So that's one of the reasons. Fragrance is there, but it's not over-empowering. In fact, when you put it on your face, parang wala rin akong naamoy. So it's really nice, it's really gentle. I really enjoy putting this on my face in the morning. It's not really super hydrating, to be honest. It's just like putting another layer of cream on your face. It's just like putting a layer of product on your face. It's not really super hydrating. Hindi ka maglalagkit. Mabilis siyang absorb and it dries down matte and not sticky at all. Ang sarap. It's actually very smooth and velvety. That's why, to be honest, I really love using this. If I would buy this, I'm not really sure because I don't really know kung talagang pumuputi ba ako sa kanya. But I love the texture. That's it. I really do. And it doesn't clog up my pores. It doesn't make me feel sticky and annoyed. Because sometimes when I put creams on my face, yung parang nagdudula siya sa mukha. I really hate that. But this one, hindi. It's a good makeup base, to be honest. Okay. For the ingredients, the one that's up there is water, glycerin. So water is good. Glycerin is also good because it's a humectant. It draws moisture from the air. Butylene glycol. I think that's alcohol. Niacinamide. So niacinamide is up there. Niacinamide helps even your skin tone. Polyethylene, I think, is an alcohol. Dimethicone, it's that what makes this velvety. Okay, blah 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 blah, all the other alcohols. Titanium dioxide gives a little SPF protection. Panthenol is pro-vitamin B5. Okay, blah blah blah. It has paraben. Fragrance. Okay, so the fruit extracts or the plant extracts are a little down there. But then again, you don't really have to put a lot of extracts because when you put a lot of these essential oils or plant extracts, sometimes it can pose a risk for sensitivities like allergies. So, okay lang naman na nandun siya sa baba. Okay. Alright. And it also has lemon juice. It has orange juice. Okay. So, I wonder kung hindi ba siya photosensitive. Hindi naman sinabi nila. So, those citruses are the ones that, I guess, are the ones that would cause skin brightening because these citrus fruit extracts are known to lighten and brighten the skin naturally. So, yun. It's kind of expected na meron siyang lemon and orange and everything. And it smells good. And the application is great. So, I really like this. Now, let's go to the other one. This is Olay's Natural White Light Night Mochi Mochi Brightening Aqua Boost 2-in-1 Facial Cream. Yes. That's a lot. Okay. So, I've used this once or twice. I've used this more than this, to be honest. I like this more also than this, to be honest, because the first time I applied this, nangata yung mukha ko, like here. I think I still have like something down here. As in, I got an instant reaction from using this. So I'm very careful of like using this. Because nangangata yung mukha. I really don't know why. Maybe there's an ingredient here that I'm very sensitive to. Hindi ko lang alam kung alin. But, you know, I get that reaction and I don't really like that. Especially I have an event on Saturday and I don't really like being weird on Saturday. Okay, so for the benefits, provides nourishment and hydration while you sleep. Wake up to hydrated and glowy skin, even skin tone because it has niacinamide. Reduces the look of dark spots, lightens and brightens your skin. Okay, refers to the dual benefit of brightening and aqua boost. Ingredients with milk and white lily extract. Probably white lily siguro. I really don't know, but there's an ingredient here that's making me itch. That's why I don't like this. So the ingredients are, the ones that are up there are water, glycerin, niacinamide, isohexadecane. I really don't know what that is. Butylene glycol. So mas marami yung niacinamide dito. It targets you to even out your skin tone while you are sleeping. It has vitamin E, it has vitamin B5, it has titanium dioxide in it too, it has parabens in it, it has fragrance. Okay, it has Morus alba root extract. I really don't know what that is. Maybe that's the water lily. Milk lipids, So this is not vegan friendly. And of course, it still has the apple, grapefruit, and all those extracts. Lime even is here, orange, and lemon. O, dito rin meron. So the fruit extracts that you have here are also contained here. And I guess those are the extracts or additives or actives that are in charge of letting your skin go lighter and brighter as you use it during the day and as you sleep through it through the night. I'm just not really into the night cream. Maybe there's an ingredient here that's causing the itchiness. Like here, meron pa akong parang namumuya siya, to be honest. Para siyang may natural blush on, which is not like natural. Because naturally, my face is just pale. Just one monotone face. But the fact that I do have some red things here, which is like not normal. Yeah, because I've been using this. So I guess that's all for today. Those are my 2 cents for these products. If you've tried this, if you've seen this around, if you've tried it, let me know what you think through the comments box below. I'd love to know. Like, ako lang ba yung nakata dito? I haven't really seen much review about this, to be honest. I'm not really sure if they've sent this out to a lot of people. But I'm flattered that they've sent me one of the early boxes. Or late lang gumawa ng review lahat ng tao. Okay, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions about like the latest products that you want me to try, or if you have any other beauty questions that you'd want me to answer, please leave them down through the comments below or get in touch with me through my social media. If you are not yet a follower of this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell button so that you guys are updated as soon as I upload a new video, to chat with you, to hang out with you. And I guess that's all for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!